everyone, this is Diana here from LinksEride. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a battery bracket from the standard saddle trunk. Okay, let's check the spare parts needed for the DIY. 2 metal brackets, 2 elastic fixing bandage, 4 EVA foam, and get your drill tool for the DIY. Okay. First step, remove the leather cover and loosen the screws. It's very simple steps. It's just like that you remove the screws here and just change to the bracket that we offer and then tighten the screws again. The bracket is okay. If you have the electric drill like the video shows, then your work will be easier. You see, adding the bracket like this and just find 2 holes to fix the position. Then whip down for the left part, so same step on the right. Don't forget to tighten all the screws in the end. With this step, we're adding 4 pieces of EVA foam here so that when you put in your battery, it will not shaking during your riding. We're almost done here with the chains to the battery bracket. You can put in your battery now and then adding 2 more elastic bandages here to fixing your battery. That's it. Be happy and safe during your riding. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you are interested in getting more information from our channel. This is Diana here. Thank you for your time. Let's see you next time. Bye.